Incorporate these tips and watch your affiliate profits soar. In order to excel at affiliate marketing, you must understand the basics of the concept before you move on to attempting more complex methods. Without first nailing down the fundamentals, your empire will be unstable and could collapse at any moment. Keep in mind these simple ideas and techniques when starting a career and continue to apply them through all of your stages of success. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. Affiliates need to make sure that they're receiving full credit for every sale. For this, you want to find out what type of tracking software a company uses and make sure that it's a legitimate, reliable service. If you are not properly tracked, you could end up losing your commissions. And the company is not going to shed a tear over this. Affiliate marketing is full of endless tips and tricks you can use to increase your sales numbers, and one great way to get more traffic is to offer people something for free. If you can create an information product explaining some steps about affiliate marketing, you can give this away to loyal subscribers. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product. Half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. Expand your options. It's great to start out using free resources online to advertise your affiliate product. However, after you start to make some money, you should invest a bit in paid advertising to increase your business. You may purchase a domain name, buy business cards, have some flyers printed, and/or get a magnetic sign for the side of your car. All of these investments will broaden your target audience. At the end of the year, you should make sure to send out a thank you to all of your customers for working with you over the past year. You can also tell them that you would like to see them next year and give them a preview of what to expect. People always like it when you try to connect with them. Problems usually occur when the affiliate marketer decides that he or she no longer needs to remember these simple rules and begins making things more complicated than they really need to be. While that may temporarily increase profits, it can result in a single disaster that causes your entire business to burn. Pay close attention, and when branching out, always do the research and testing beforehand. Student loan.